sikat na sikat to. Layo kayo ng konti, baka maduraan kayo. Ako maduduraan yung Wepax. Dura-dura group. O maalala nyo yung mga nagbabiral, nagbibidyoan. Nung araw, salisi lang. Ito, may style na. Sabi, may dura ka. Kasi piting ka, tapos sasalisi ka. Ito yung grupo, hindi lang po isa. Halos buong grupo ito. Arrest. Rafi Boy de Dios Sierra. Randolph Dato E. Pareño. Kyle Robbie Cachiler Maduli. Jomar Carnate E. Kanyahura. Danilo Rosales E. Mojica. Maria Cristina Luceño E. Bruno. Ayun yung kungkina. Okay. Yun, 5. Ako paduduraan yung Wepax. Ito, may complainant sa baso nangyari. Basta pa na nagkakaroon ngayon ng maraming insidente sa Maynila. Snatching, yan, sa Lising. Noong araw, tawag lang namin dyan sa Lising. O kaya, budol. Mabubudol. But at least, I'm happy to report to you sa ating mga kababayan sa Luzon na itong mga kriminal, magtago man sa Maynila o tumakbo man, ginawa nila yung krimen sa Maynila, no? Hahabulin natin sila. At yung mga crimes against property, katulad nung halimbawa, isang lumapit dito nung isang araw, nahanap niya. Nagbakasyon lang yung pamilya. Pagbalik nila, ubos na yung bahay nila. So, rest assured to our people in the city of Manila, in our own little way, through the leadership of General Abad and the men and women uniformed personnel of the city police or Manila Police District or Philippine National Police, we'll do our best. If we can prevent them, I think, pang gold medal. But if we cannot prevent them, we assure you, mamamatay sila ng puyat or walang tulog. Yun ay kamamatay nila. Dahil hindi po kami titigil hanggat hindi sila napasa sa ilalim o napapapanagot sa mata ng batas at ibibigay namin sa husgado para masabi kung sila yung may kasalanan o wala. But for the meantime, we assure you, hindi kami magpapahinga, lalo na nag-uusap na kami ni General Abad kahapon, sabi ko pa rin, itong sa lakas ng ulan na ito. Maraming saradong negosyo. Alam mo yung mga tulogis, mananamantala yan. Style yan eh. Kaya naiintindihan niya dahil si General Abad, kaya Maynila rin. Basang-basa niya rin naman. So, in our little way, kami, trabahuin natin. Pagpapanagutin natin sila. Yan po yung dura-duraga. Kahit ano pang pangalan ninyo sa mga grupo ninyo, sa mga sarili, you are not welcome in the city of Manila. Our people deserves better things. Our people deserves to have a peaceful community. Panatag na Pangulo as we committed to our people. At hindi kami mangingimi na iparada kayo ng iparada rito. At the very least, to inform the public that things are being acted upon. At kami naman magsisikap lagi. Tutulong-tulong ang inyong PNP at ang pamahalang lungsod ng Maynila.
Police Brigadier General Arnold Abad, our District Director.
Yes, General. Sa Ilonggo, di ka mo magpati, ha? Binigyan kayo sa
Ano makaresin?
Anyway, good morning. Thank you for your time, and I always like to lagi kong binibigyan ng diin at masasalamat ang ating mga friends in the media helping us informing the general public, the people of Manila, on the effort, continuous effort to keep the peace and order situation in the city. Kahit bagyo, kahit gabi, kahit araw, through the leadership of General Torre, Chief PFP, and the leadership of our District Director, General Arnie Abad, and the men and women uniformed personnel of the City of Manila, the headquarters, SMART, and the respective station commanders. Today is a new day again for the city. I have here also the Vice Mayor, Vice Mayor Chia Chensa, and Colonel Desturan, Chief of Staff of General Abad. And welcome to our regular meeting of our own little way, our own little effort to really put things in right order or perspective in regard to unnecessary or what we call criminal activities in the city of Manila. Today we're presenting you the following suspects under warrant, and the most famous, the group doing things, committed crimes against property in the city. Sikat na sikat to. Layo kayo ng konti, baka maduhaan kayo. Maya. Here, Kurt Russell Del Rosario, alias Russell, top 4, district level, statutory rape, Andakan Police Station number 10. Si Russell. Ayan. Si Russell ay may arrest warrant with criminal case number MNL-25-04220-22-CR issued by Honorable P. Maria Varias, H, Presiding Judge, Family Court, Branch 6, Manila, dated June 25. No bail recommended. Number 2, Nino Cortez E. Branzuela, alias Kuya No, o alias Nino, Top 7 Regional Level, RAID, District Police Intelligence Operation Unit, DPIOU, under the, again, supervision of General Abad. Warrant of arrest with criminal case number R-MNL-18-1042-85-CR issued by Honorable Marister B. Retana, Presiding Judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 48, Manila. No bail recommended. Another arrest, Jaco de la Cruz, San Basilio. Okay. Number 3, Jaco de la Cruz E. Cabasares, Top 5, District Level, murder by Barbosa Police Station, Precinct 14. Warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Barry Boy Ariola Salvador, Presiding Judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 185, under criminal case number R-RMNL-25-05-268-CR. No bail recommended. Jaco. Number 4, Juan Ian Valdemar E. Lamadero, Top 1, Station Level, kidnapping. Nagayan Santa Cruz Police Station, Precinct number 3. Arrest warrant issued by Honorable Isagani Gomez Calderon, Presiding Judge of Regional Trial Court, First Judicial Region, Branch 8, La Trinidad, Benguet. Dalit salita po ito'y nagtago sa Maynila. Dito po namahay. No bail recommended. Marilyn Ponce E. Artajo, Top 2, Station Level, violation of Section 5 and 11, Article 2, RA 9165. Sabihin, nagtotrumpeta po ito. Presinto 13. Kaya pala parang ganyan. Warrant of arrest issued by Honorable Grace P. Chavez D., Presiding Judge, Regional Trial Court, Branch 177, Manila. No bail recommended.